Hi viewers, in this video we learn how to edit text on image using Canva. Let's start this video. Click on create and then click on uploads and then click on upload files. Select files, open, click on use a new design and then click custom size, create new design, okay, click on this image, click on edit. There is a Magic Studio, scroll, there is grab text. Wait a moment. Click on text and then click on grab. Edit this text. Imran Khan. Change colors, select we love, change color, alignment center, okay. See, text is edited. Share, click on download, select JPG, download. Okay, click on download. See, the text is edited on this image. Thanks for watching this video.